Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about tips that every girl should know. Let's get started. Don't try loads of products on your skin. They can damage the skin and cause acne, so use only authentic products, and it would be so much better if you get a dermatologist prescription. Scrunchies are healthier than baubles. Scrunchies are less likely to cause headaches, they don't cause breakage, plus they are harder to lose. Have cold showers from time to time. By regularly sealing your hair cuticles with cold water, your hair can better retain moisture and resist damage from heat and styling products. Moreover, you will get shiny hair. Use Vaseline in your lips and eyelashes. Vaseline helps to keep your lips and eyelashes hydrated by locking in moisture and in turn preventing breakage. Every girl needs 4 hobbies. 1 to keep you in shape, 1 to make you money, 1 to keep you creative, and 1 to build you knowledge. Always use sunscreen. Sunscreen is a necessity that every girl should have in her bag, and apply it every 2 hours. Sunscreen prevents sunburn, lowers the risk of skin cancer, and protects against premature skin aging. Be creative and fun with your outfits. Wear colors and styles that make you feel happy, and the boost in mood will make you attractive. Try asking a family member or friend to help you pick out colors that complement your skin tone when shopping. Finally, don't stress yourself. Stress can cause serious physical and mental problems, so try giving yourself more time to meditate, laughing, eating healthy, and connecting with others. These were all the tips I have for today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.